The Chief of Army Cadet Team Challenge, the tri-service activity bringing Navy, Army and Air Force Cadets from all around Australia, coming here to test their practical field aspects, is a physical and psychological test. And for the next couple of days, we'll be testing our practical survival abilities, going out into the field, living by ourselves and completing numerous defence-based real-life scenarios.
I love being out bush. It's going to be so much fun, and walking up and down those mountains, it's going to be very strenuous, but I'm excited for that at the same time.
Teamwork is extremely important on an exercise like this because a lot of the activities don't require just one person, so we always have to be working together.
So this morning we competed in the confidence course here at Canungra, and it's a great opportunity to learn and experience what ADF members go through and some of the things they need to be able to do.
And it was incredible. It was so fun, and as a section you would have to move through each activity and talk to each other through it and work out how you would work around each activity as a group.
So today we did a rope challenge where the team had to get underneath a cargo rope, getting the whole section from one side to the other. You had to work as a team, and our order of operations was having one person hold up the cargo rope at one side, and the team, you'll send 4 people underneath to hold it up. The remainder of the team is going to walk underneath or crawl underneath, get to the other side, and then you'll fall out one by one. So using teamwork to the best of your abilities to get everyone through as efficient as possible.
The way that we were able to create this communication worked really well for that activity, because as one goes under, the secos telling the next person to go under, and it's like boom, 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 in and out, 3 seconds.
It's a really good way to obviously build confidence, communication, and it's great to then be able to put that into practice out in the field to work as a team together.
Recent intelligence reports indicated smoke and activity in the vicinity. You are to gather intelligence and report your findings back to the area OIC of this stand.
Police, start searching that far building, yeah.
With a what tag? Okay.
It's 0545 0540.
0545?
Yeah.
Date of birth, 21 of the 11th, 2000.
It's an awesome experience, especially being able to take what we learn here back to our squadrons and teaching and expanding on the knowledge and teaching more people.
Grid, 1, 9er, 2.
To be able to use our skills and practically work as a team was an amazing experience.